Well, friends, I'd like to say this is the first time that I've been in this position, but it ain't. It won't be the last either. Before we continue, let's go back to the start of this trip. We can tell you our journey. So here we go. This multi-part series is going to be my take at documenting a group of friends' ride on the newly opened Southeast BDR. This is the start of it for us in North Carolina. That's me in the center, riding a 2020 F Twin. To my right is Randall, riding a BMW 1250. And to the left is Brian. He's also riding a Africa Twin. All right, let's ride. So we wanted to ride the route from the south to north direction. Makes the start of it for us at Navarre, Florida. This is our ride out to the start point on the island.
It was just like right at the end, it must have been a rock. It just pushed me sideways.
Yeah, I saw it.
1, 2, 3.
This. Yeah. And until this, you get down in here.
Well, I went to the left side. Left side was fine. It was just this extended one. Yeah, just go ahead. Nice!
Which side?
Right side, but there is a groove like the closer in, so talk about a foot out from where the water meets the ground there. Yeah. There's a raised, like it's so a little bit raised.
Where my bike is now, just go straight.
100%, yep.
Even on the other side?
Yeah.
What about the ledge on the other side? Is there one?
The ledge, no, it's pretty smooth going into it. I just wouldn't go in the center because it's deep. Nice. That's a line. That's a line.
So as you saw, the first day had a lot of puddles and some sand. It was a good start to a great trip. We ended the first day at 6 Mile Creek Campground, Selma, Alabama. To kick off day 2, starting section 3 of the BDR, the route will take you through the Talladega National Forest. Due to the heavy rains 2 days before and the week prior, the route was very wet and still very slippery. That red clay just wanted to suck all of the traction from our tires. We all experienced a few falls in the morning. This also significantly slowed down our progression for the day.
I'm telling you, the DCT helps in dip like me. Oh my God, it's pretty shallow, and then it goes,
Yeah.
like,
Nice.
Deeper than I thought.
That was wet. I went over my windshield.
Yeah, I went into it and I go, oh!
I should have checked the damn train schedule.
You did everything else, but you didn't check the schedule.
Day 2 ended, the latest of all the days on BDR. We ended up getting to camp a little after 8 p.m. We decided to finish our day by staying at the Cheaha State Park in Delta, Alabama. I have to say, the day's scenery and views kept getting better and better, and as we got higher in elevation, the road conditions seemed to dry up as well. It was definitely a long day of riding for sure, but totally worth it.
Okay,
Right by the bathhouse.
yeah, you win points for that.